How to fix the Steam games not launching. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix your Steam games not launching. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Steam account, and here you have to make sure that you install the latest version of your Steam application. For that you have to go in your browser, and here you have to search for your Steam latest version, and from here you have to click on this first option of the Steam, the ultimate game platform. You have to simply click on it, and from here you just have to install the latest version of your Steam. And after that, once you install it, you just have to click on it, and from here you have to log in into your account, and you have to go in the manage account. Now once you are in, as you can see that here is the option of the sign out of your account. You have to click on it, and here you have to again log in your account. And once you again log in, and if you are still not able to fix it, what you have to do is simply search for your Steam application, and here you have to click on it. Now you have to go in its run as administrator, and here you have to run it, and after that you are able to fix the Steam games not launching. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.